Hello 18! Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. Kalat na sa mundo ng P-pop sa Pilipinas ang 2 times sold out ng SB19 sa Grammy Museum para sa kanilang interview at performances. Sunod dyan ang Lollapalooza at ang Summer Sonic sa Japan. At ito nasusulat ang SB19's Grammy Museum Global Spin Live Performance sells out in under 2 minutes. Sabi ng iba, less than 1 minute lamang, pero dito 2 minutes ang nakasulat. SB19's live performance at the Grammy Museum's Global Spin Live on Los Angeles is officially sold out, with tickets vanishing in less than 2 minutes. The incredible demand highlights the group's growing international appeal and the unwavering support of their fans 18. The rapid sellout is a testament to the loyalty and dedication of the fandom who continue to show up for the P-pop Kings. As SB19 prepares for their historic Lollapalooza debut in July 30, the sold-out Grammy Museum event further cements their status as global trailblazers. Congratulations SB19, 18 continues to bring the Philippines to international stage. O diba, nakaka-proud at kalat na sa buong P-pop music industry ang sold out, 2 times sold out ng SB19 sa Grammy Museum. Sunod dyan ang Lollapalooza July 30 at ang Summer Sonic this August.